know, suppose you get the negative comments also, but then how you get that courage to continue? Because many people they lose in that time. When they feel
Mhm.
they are not good enough, they lose it. So how did you get the courage to continue even after being failure?
Yeah, I can consider myself that I always learn from my mistakes. When I was giving interviews also, so I rejected in more than 10 plus interviews. So that time also somewhere in my mind that I always wanted to do job. So I thought like, yes, maybe I failed here. This is not my right time. So I have to work hard on my weakness and where I'm lacking.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. And how about you?
I'm also good. As we are meeting this time, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Tanuja and I live in Bhopal city. And by profession, I'm a software engineer. And also, I run a YouTube channel in my free time. And apart from this, if I talk about my interests, so I love dancing, traveling, and drawing sometimes. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, very happy to hear that. About myself, I'm an English trainer by profession, and my name is Pallavi Dhingra. I have been teaching online for almost more than 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
And about my educational qualification, I'm postgraduate in English as well as TEFL TESOL certified trainer. And I am from Delhi. And about my hobbies, I really love to do a lot of shopping. This is
Okay.
all about me. Rest, if you want to ask anything in specific, you can ask.
Oh, good to know about you. I think I saw on YouTube as well. And I didn't expect that you are the
Yeah,
same person.
yeah, I have my YouTube channel by the name of Lingua English Pallavi.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I keep on going on and off on YouTube. I'm not regular, but this year I made a promise to myself that I will be regular on YouTube
Mm-hmm.
because I just like continue for 1 2 months and then I leave. I take a break, long break for 4 to 5 months.
Mm-hmm.
But this year I will be sure, and I keep on repeating in every conversation. Actually, not repeating for the other person, I'm repeating for me to remind me, no, this year I have to be continuous.
Okay. Yeah, it's good for you because your niece is already the same. You are English trainer, so it's you.
Right. But sometimes I just break off because of the other things. I focus more on like teaching.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm like packed up with other things, so I don't get chance.
Yeah, I can
All right,
understand.
you say how are the things going on over there? How is the weather?
Yeah, it is summer these days,
How
so
is
it
the
is
weather over there?
really hot here. More than I think 30 degrees.
Yeah,
Extremely hot, we can say. And
yeah.
this time it is really hard to, go outside. And how about you at
Yeah,
your
that's
place?
really,
I know that Delhi is
yeah, here
already.
in Delhi, though. Yeah, Delhi is pretty hot, but you know the weather keeps changing. Just 2 days before, it rained a lot, and there was such a thunderstorm, and I was so scared to sleep at night. After a
Okay.
few minutes of just waking up, and you know the glasses on the in the room of my house, they were shaking as if that they will broke up and come on me. I got such a nightmare that day. And see, in summers, like the weather suddenly change up for no reason, and then there is a lot of thunderstorm. The winds are like blowing so heavily, and the I literally tell you the glasses or the window glasses, they're just shaking as if they will broke suddenly.
Oh my God.
That really scared me that day. I tell you, 2 days back, I was not able to sleep at night. Actually, I'm very emotional and very short at heart. So
Oh,
I was
okay.
not able to sleep very well because of the weather.
Mhm.
Okay, so as if you suggested, let's connect. Let's talk about social media, a double-edged sword.
Yeah, we can.
So, what are your views on it?
Okay, so social media,
What are your views about social media these days?
okay. So I would start with the same thing. I always say it depends on person to person how they use and how they see the things. It depends on your perspective
Right.
on anything. Like we always say, every coin has two sides, so it's like same. But for me, that I consider myself that it is in my hand that when I have to use in what way. So social media is good for me and especially for most of the people that we can connect to world these days. We can get lot of information. We can learn any skills, without going outside even. online we have multiple platforms, so we can utilize in that way. And for the professional person, it is very good to, connect with so many people from diverse background. You can make your network. So this is good thing. But on the other hand, we can say that always we get distracted just because of social media. Whenever you have free
That's
time, so you
that's
will
true.
just scroll your phone unnecessarily sometime. And how time passes, we can't even imagine, like 1 hour, 2 hours.
You said absolutely right that it varies from person to person how they take up social media platform, because nowadays there are so many platforms online
Mhm.
like Facebook, Insta, and LinkedIn. So people, they love to see, and most of the time people are more interested in what others are doing.
Yes,
So they want to like peep into others' information. And I tell you that is, there is nothing wrong in that. It's like human curiosity. Even if
Mhm.
I see someone, oh wow, they have done this. This is like human curiosity. We get it right. We come to know, and we also improve. So people use it. Some people, they use it for advantage. They utilize to show their creativity. Like a lot of influencers, they do it, and they even teach the people. And I believe due to social media, the like our lives have taken a different turn.
Yeah.
So there is a turning point in each one of us, our life. We learn so many things online, and it actually helps us to be a better person.
Mhm.
Scroll down a lot of reels, lot of times, but we see but we are gathering a lot of information from there. So that I believe is something good, even if we are scrolling in our free time. But excessive use is, as it, you everybody knows, it should not be there. But still we do. Even sometimes when I'm free, I wonder, let me just watch the reels for 10 minutes, and then those 10 minutes get extended to 2 hours. So
Yeah.
I tell you that is so true.
Mhm.
And also social media also, I just give you some example that how one can improve themselves using social media. So you can use the best and best traits of your personality also. I tell you, I am a bit religious, not bit, a lot religious person, and I
Mhm.
believe in this astrology, numerology, and all this stuff. So I
Okay.
just, as we scroll down the reels, so I was just looking at the reels that I am number 6. So one day I come to know that I'm number 6. This I recently come to know 3, 4 years, 2, 3 years back. I tell you. Before that, I never even give it like attention to it, or I even never thought like
Mhm.
what according to numerology my number would be. So I am like number 6. Then I, after that, when you watch one video related to a topic, then all the videos keep coming related to the same.
Yeah.
And then I
Mhm.
wonder, wow, I'm so lucky person. The people those who are born on 6, 15, 24, and I'm born on 24. They're the luckiest person. And then, from that day, I keep on sharing all the reels to my family members that respect and behave well with me. And that if you want money in your life, if you want peace in your life, you have to treat me well. So I tell you that uses the best of your personality, and it also opens up like a lot of hoops in your mind. Suppose earlier I used to, sometimes I get into it, I don't have this thing. Then I wonder, oh, number 6 people can never have shortage. So I don't have any shortage in my life. So I
Mhm.
tell you, this social media helps so much. To what extent, if we truly relate to it. This is just a small example, but otherwise also we learn so many things from there. I even see and follow a lot of recipe, how to make your hair grow longer and
Yeah, we
how to
learn
eat
a lot of
this,
things
that.
actually.
So many things are there. But I
Mhm.
think negative side is just we should be careful about it when we are using it, and not to overshare our information on social media, though everybody wants to share each and everything, but
Mhm.
still not to overshare. Then sometimes could be a backseat for ourselves, and we should just take care of our eyes because if we are going to see it over, then our health will be deteriorated.
Yeah, but I think, nowadays nothing is private. I think so. Because nowadays most of the people, they are maybe blogger also. So they post each and everything, what they are doing, what they are eating, where they are going. So there are
Wow.
so many. It's like that oversharing, we can say. But it is their content. Like because they are growing because of this. But in this way, we
Yeah.
can say nothing is private. We already know what is going in their side. Yeah.
That is so true. And that creates curiosity also. Suppose I come to know today he has went over there, he has that. So what next will be there? Even I tell you something honestly, sometimes I also wonder, like, let me shoot my daily life. But
Yeah.
then I just try, but then like shooting and cutting that content type, and it becomes some difficult. But sometime in future, might be I will do not everything I will be sharing, but a part of it. So
Mhm.
I just thought like sometime back, like let me also shoot whatever I do and I will just narrate that in English. Like
Yeah.
main purpose is to spread
Mhm.
the awareness of English through my daily conversation, how we can use it. So I thought, but I didn't start. So hopefully might be sometime in future. If I get into it, I will even give it a try.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah. So you tell me like what do you think is the best use of social media for you?
Mm, like I said that I can make network. So like I use LinkedIn a lot so we can get a lot of information regarding the professional side. So I use that a lot. And other than that, yeah, YouTube that I started my journey and I learned English language just because of YouTube. And now I am YouTuber also. So I can say that I utilized in that way. So now I'm here, I can talk, I can connect with people. And earlier I was very underconfident. I had no confidence to speak with anyone, you won't believe. Even in my surrounding also I don't speak much, but because of when I started speaking up, now I have gained this confidence, like just because of social media. So these two application is very helpful. And yeah, for sometimes entertainment is also necessary in our life, so definitely I won't deny that I don't use like other media like Instagram and all. I do use it, but yeah, occasionally when I'm totally free, so I do that.
Yeah. So as if you said you learn English because of social media. So how you started? Like, what's your journey? When you started initially till now, how much you feel you improve and how you improve?
Well, so like I am in the software industry. So earlier I faced a lot of challenges just because of communication because I never tried to learn English speaking part actually. And when I got job, so here also I got environment that people are already well in this language and I was not. So somehow it came in my mind I should also learn, and if I want to speak in my workplace, so I can't survive here. So this is the necessary part for me. So that's how I idea came in my mind. And I thought if I'll shoot video or if I can face myself, then I can face others also. Now I'm comfortable like with me. Then I started talking with others. So this is how I started. And yeah, there are multiple English content are available. So earlier I used to listen some English contents, whatever coming in my feed. So I used to listen. So I did that practice. And yeah, now I'm continuously doing it. Now I'm enjoying also because we can get, a lot of people to talk. I was very taciturn person. So now I became ambivert, I can say, because of talking in that way.
Yeah, that's true. And we humans are social animals, so we need society to connect. Now, more than in person, people love to connect online. I hardly meet any of my friend in person because of the busy schedule. But
Yes.
when it comes to social media, I have so many friends.
Yeah, it is totally true.
Like from the initially you started with your first video. So how was your first video and how you get the courage to even shoot? Don't you feel fearful?
Yeah, that was kind of scary. I was very scared that time. Still, I see this video, then I compare, oh my God, how I was speaking. Like nobody can listen that kind of video. Like, what am I speaking? So, and I made numerous mistakes also in that video. Just because of practice, I'm here. And the yeah, first video always we feel what people will think about us, and definitely we will get. I was ready to get negative comments, and when I got some negative comments, I was sad also. Like I'm not, worth enough, and like that. It came in my mind, but somehow I ignored that kind of comments and I focused on positive one, like someone who supported me. So that's why I continued my journey.
That is really good. So how you overcome your fear like at that time? No, suppose you get the negative comments also, but then how you get that courage to continue? Because many people they lose in that time. When they feel they are not good enough, they lose it. So how did you get the courage to continue even after being failure?
Yeah, I can consider myself that I always learn from my mistakes. When I was giving interviews also, so I rejected in more than 10 plus interviews. So that time also somewhere in my mind that I always wanted to do job. So I thought like, yes, maybe I failed here. This is not my right time. So I have to work hard on my weakness and where I'm lacking. So this is how I worked at that time also, like according to interview perspective, where I'm lacking. So I focused on that thing. And yeah, fortunately I got job also. And as I said that here I have to survive, I have to do job. So I can't, give up. So that's why I continued my journey. I knew that English is very important for my career, especially. So that made me feel that I can't give up.
I must say you are such a strong person. You said you failed 10 times at interview. To say that also one needs a lot of courage. And you faced it and then also you move ahead. You are really strong. I really appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great quality. Even it gave me goosebumps. She's saying like admitting it even is a big thing in that too. You learned and you move ahead. So
Yeah.
that's really great. I truly appreciate you for that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so welcome. All right. So do you have anything or shall we wind up the session?
Yeah, I wanted to ask, like, you always wanted to go in this field, or is it just by the flow?
Yeah, it just happened by chance that I started teaching English. It was never decided, neither I thought to be an English trainer ever. It just started. I have actually a dedicated video. You can better watch that. Otherwise, it will take another 15 minutes to tell you like how I learn English and why I learn English. You can just check on my channel. Otherwise, I tell you in short, see, it was something I never decided, but it all happened by chance. But now I tell you, I love to teach so much that even at 3 in the night, I can give it a class. So I do give class to the students also from outside India, like Canada. I give class at night. One day I tell you, I came from Bangalore at 2. At like 2:30, I came from the airport, and at 3 I took a class. So I am like so passionate about teaching, and I tell you why I love these days. I love like when I see that the people are improving through my teaching. It gives you a lot of immense happiness and satisfaction. Yes, money is always an encouraging force for everybody, but still when you see that people are changing because of their life is changing, they're getting better and better, so that satisfaction no one can let you buy. So I feel so happy when through my teaching they improve and they become a better person in their life. So this satisfaction really gives me so much of happiness, and that encourages me to teach my students better and better every day. So that's why whenever anybody joins, I never say I restrict my content because I work on the overall development and personality of everybody. I want them to be the best wherever they go. So I really love to teach now. Like I can say it has become a part of my life.
Yeah, good to know. Yeah, especially we feel over the moon when we see this kind of feedback from our students, especially if you are a teacher, that yes, they gained something from you, they learned something from you, and this is helpful for their entire life, entire career.
All right. So it
Yep.
was a lovely conversation with you. I really enjoyed a lot. I wish you luck that you improve and you grow more and more in your life and you become better with your YouTube, with other things also. Already you are a strong person, I can say, and I can see that. But still, my best wishes are with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wishes. Yeah, it was lovely
All
session with
right.
you.
Bye.
Bye.